Putting together a tour is quite a big process. There's so much involved.
We start off with the music.
Strike up the band. I've got rhythm.
I've got the world on the string. Le Jazz Hot.
Are you doing that one?
Oh yeah. We're so thrilled that Lance is going to come back and join us again for the tour.
It doesn't matter what Lance sings because it is completely wonderful.
Brilliant.
And a lot of the time I'm supposed to be getting changed really quickly out the back, but I can't help but just stop and listen. It's phenomenal. We always go out there with an orchestra. We don't do a small band.
We don't do a band.
We do it properly.
Recorded music?
No. We just take the whole orchestra on tour with us.
There's nothing quite like a live orchestra, and we get all the best players because they're all really look forward to the show because the music is so eclectic.
One of my favourite bits about putting the show together is the costumes. Coming up with different ideas and themes and colours and rhinestones and bling for the show.
Bling.
It's bling. There is so much bling on the show that we actually need a great big truck.
It's a massive undertaking, but it's so much fun because when you see it come together, it feels like this is a show.
It's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's really good.